knocked him out. Alright, it is Cars and Coffee. It is Sunday. I am up 7:45 right now and we're getting ready to go. I didn't get a chance to do my hair, which I kind of hate, but it's alright. It's gonna be sunny today, so I want to keep my shade on and not get a tan. So gonna get ready to go. I always got tons of cars in the way, so I gotta move them in the morning if I ever want to go anywhere, so it sucks. That's so annoying. Alright, so I'm actually kind of late. It just hit 8:01 and I was supposed to be there at 8 o'clock. But good thing I only live about 5 minutes from Cars and Coffee. I just really hate that I have to move a million cars every single time I want to take this car out before I drive. So, gonna get ready to go now, so I shouldn't be vlogging and driving. Can't focus. Almost knocked him out. Just made a Cars and Coffee. I parked, waiting for my other buddies to get here. It's pretty packed, but it feels good out right now. It's kind of loud too, but look at these Corvettes. Ooh.
I know it's gonna be shot, right? Alright, good shit.
Yeah. Ooh, this color is so crazy. It's like a light pearl nardo gray. Ah, it looks like a Hot Wheel. Dude, look how badass this Civic is. Damn, look at this thing. Looking good. Pretty sick Evo here. Used to be obsessed with these Evo 8s, Evo 7s. Still am, actually. Look how nice the manifold's powder coated or Cherry coated or whatever the term is. But it's super clean. Here's my piece of crap. Ooh, kind of close, buddy. Let's just double check. Ah, he's good. All gravy. Thank you, monster. Ooh, used to be obsessed with these Mustangs. The fastback though. Yellow Lotus. What in the world is this thing? Wow. What a badass. Finally somebody doing it right. Wow. That's pretty cool. Tesla gang getting big. Whoa, look at this wrap.
So yeah, you probably need
Sick. Wow.
Oh, that one.
Ooh, I saw this car from a mile away. Look at this color. Wow. Dude, it's so nice. I can't see anything. bad. Not bad.
This type of car, buddy. Yeah, so much something.
Hey. He is sick. I know what's under here. It's the McLaren Senna. 2 of them. I've been looking at this FRS. Just like I imagined.
I don't like the red mirrors.
Damn, these are clean. Still one of my favorite M3s. Oh God, there's trash here. Ooh, Carrera 911.
I know, right?
Look how cool this thing is. Wow.
Very few.
There's another one. Super clean.
Tell me, when you put the thing in, tell me about it. Until I had to ask you like a year later. I don't know.
Another hot Cars and Coffee in Florida. Hung out with a couple people. Alex came by just now, but we're all leaving. It's just too hot, and I didn't want to vlog too much because I don't want to be weird. I'm still uncomfortable vlogging in public, so I think next time I should just bring glasses so I can hide my face. Met up with Blake and a couple of the ISF guys. They're pretty cool. You know, I always try to catch up with them when I go to Cars and Coffee. But now it's time to go home. I would have been here for like 2.5 hours, but I'm really tired. So yeah, gonna end today's video. There's nothing else to record, I don't think. So I'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you then. Peace.